Right, market has just opened.
Yo boys, welcome back to another video at day 11. Now in this video, you're going to see me trade London session, NASDAQ, and then you're also going to see me trade YM, New York session. So you got both trades in here. Also, with regards to the fucking fitness transformation, it is day 3. I weighed in at 218.3 pounds this morning. So we're down 2.2 pounds so far. But besides that, boys, let's get into the fucking video. Peace.
Little pullback there, Shan. Little fucking pullback, Shan. Right, we're buying. Are we fucking buying or what, Mash? I'm gonna get my boat page. Right, we're broken. Wait for the retrace. If we now feel this wick, then I'll get in on the bitch and then I'll slap some fucking cash on the bio. Come on. I need to get my calculator loaded up, Shan. 250 risk. Try to phone me, troll me.
Order filled.
All I wanted was you to hold me. Now you really wanna be my homie. It's boring. Right. I'm in. Sorry boys. Fuck. Ah, there we go. Ah, fuck. Go. Alright. There we go. Right, here we are. Come on, break through here. Come on! Right, I'm taking some risk off the table here. Fucking, this I started Monday morning, Tuesday, Wednesday morning, I don't know what it is, but it's time to get up, generation love. Come on the drop, on the fucking drop, come on! On the drop! Oh, come on! Oh, bro, don't edge me. Don't fucking edge me. Come on.
Order filled.
Ooh. Come on. Just made your fucking monthly wage in what? 5 minutes in my boxer shorts. Fucking 5 minutes into the day. 8:05. Suck your mum. Come on. Boys. Look at that. Look at it. Fucking come on. Look at that, jeez. That's why I was out, bruv. Stuck to my rules, stuck to my fucking 1 or 2, mate, and I was fucking gone. Boys, if you do want to join the breakout room, it is coming. It's actually gonna be here. On Monday next week, I'm gonna start trading live session Monday. Wait, what? I'm gonna start trading live fucking. I'm gonna start live trading on Monday, London session. What the fuck am I even saying right, bro? Making too much fucking peas, but I can't even think straight. Shit, fucking 6 figures and shit, 7 figures, 0. Fuck me. Right, yo. On Monday, I'm gonna start live trading London session, which I've just done. NASDAQ. I trade NASDAQ, MNQ or NQ, whatever you want to do, in London session. I'll be trading New York session, which is going to be US 30 and NASDAQ. I'll be looking at them both. So fucking come on. But yeah, boys. Nice start to the day there, Shan. We got out perfect exit as well. Love that. Fucking love it. But yeah, boys. See you in a while, crocodile, Shan. That was so fucking gay. That don't ever say that again, bro. In a while, crocodile. Just fucking bent that.
Right, yo, boys, just for context, coming into New York Open today, my fucking video settings weren't even properly on. Hence why the video's in the wrong area and you can't see the money or the profit thing. So I apologise about that. I was very rushed. But anyway.
Alright, yo, market's open. MNQ is fucking flying. I'm looking at NASDAQ. I'm looking at US 30. But NASDAQ has flown. as you can see, I'm about to take a buy on YM. Right, I'm in buys on YM.
Honestly, this entry pisses me off when I watch this back. Because I watch this back now and I'm like, I would have never got in that. But like I say, because I was literally rushing. I was just rushing to it. I also looking at NASDAQ, just thinking, oh. But like, well, you don't get in an entry when you have a wick that big in the opposite direction. You don't take the break off the break like that. You do not do that. I should definitely give this more time. And in fairness, if I was doing anything, probably take the entry off the wick, not the candle body in this particular example. But anyway.
Fucking hell, brother. I didn't realise market had opened. Oh my god. NASDAQ is absolutely fucking gone, bruv. I can't believe that. NASDAQ's hit take profit already. And US 30. Doing note. US 30 is doing fucking note. NASDAQ's absolutely gone. Hit take profit. And we're just sat here like dickheads in US 30. So it does fucking nothing. Why is NASDAQ absolutely banging right now? Bro, 2 days. Someone's taking piss out of me. I thought US 30 would have won, boys. I thought you all told me US 30 would have fucking won. It's doing note. It's doing fucking note. Are you taking a piss? Who the fuck told me to fucking trade this bullshit? Ah, brother. I can't believe it. Shorts, selling, sold. It's fucking bullshit, that's what it is. Absolute bullshit. NASDAQ absolutely taking off. US 30 though, what the fuck is that? Bro, I can't fucking be arsed with this shit. I can't not be arsed with this shit. What the fuck is going on, bro? Boys, I can't even fucking make this shit up.
You see, boys, this is why I've created a portfolio, not only for New York, but also for London. Because London, bro, I'm winning every fucking day, right? And then I come to New York and it's just fucking, yo, take my money, bro. Just chucking profits down the drain every fucking, like, well, not every day, but, oh, I prefer London by far, bro. So much manipulation in this shit, but, nah, you know what it is. Now watching this back, first entry, bullshit. The short, just lost, just took the L. But what I could have done in hindsight watching this back is when it wicks out, I could have got aggressive. And where it's showing resistance here, I could have made my support level here, got aggressive when I sell, and potentially got an entry. Maybe a hit break even, I don't know. Oh, but anyway, boys, I show you everything. I track everything. I don't know what more you want from me at this point, but I'm probably going to go back down to one trade today as well. Fuck, you know. But anyway, keep it moving. So, boys, another thing I want to talk about is look at this. As you can see here, all last week was green. Now, there was only one L, but this week, we're fucking down, bruv. But because I'm doing 2 entries, right, I'm allowing 2 entries. These losing days are sometimes minus 2R. Like today was minus 2R. Yesterday was break even. The day before was minus 2R. That's minus 4R in a fucking week, bruv. So, like, when I put all my shit through ChatGPT, it basically told me to take 1 trade. And I think what I'm going to do is double my risk and trade only one trade per session. And I'm going to ignore reversals. And I'm not going to try to get re-entries. Unless it's really A+. I've built a buffer on my account. And it's in the opposite direction. Not in the same direction. Meaning if I took a sell, lost, and took a sell, I won't do that. If I took a sell and lost, I'm done. If I took a sell and then a massive wick to the upside, and I've built a buffer on my account and I've got winning days under my belt, that's when I look to take buys. But I'm going to go down to 1 trade. I plugged all my data into ChatGPT, which I can show you in a bit, but like, I'm just going to tell you straight. It basically was like 1 trade, double the risk, and it's way superior. And you know what? If I blow these fucking set of accounts on my New York accounts, it is what it is, boys. I just keep on fucking trying, keep on documenting, and just keep on pushing, bruv. But it is what it is, isn't it? Really, on fire in London as well. So fucking annoying. But I've not been trading London on my fundeds until today. It's just the first trade in this video if you've not already seen it. But you do. I mean, it's only not even that bad really. 2 losing days this week. The kicker is the -2 they're not just -1, they're -2. So it's like heavy. So it's like even if I win tomorrow, yeah, I'm off to one trade. I'm doing it. One trade a day, boys, from now on. What I'll do tomorrow and Friday, so Thursday and Friday, so I'll risk $250, $250, and then $250 on Friday. And whatever happens. Since I've taken most of my trades on YM this week, I'll just look at YM. I'm going to take NASDAQ off, and we'll go from there. But yeah, that's how I'm going to do it.